Why when they say man can't salt, brother? Me don't know. I don't know. Liam Bill finally get a move where we can say more get some consistent game time. But apparently injury have a different thought in mind. All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time and you want to see more content like this. So I want to discuss Liam Bailey. So I get up this morning and say, no, I'm going to do the video on Liam Bailey's transfer and discuss how good the transfer is. So I'm going to definitely just have to go to that same way. So Liam Bailey would have completed his season-long loan from Aston Villa to AS Roma. The Jamaica wingers joined the Italian side for 2025-2026 season, and the deal includes an option to buy. The 28-year-old made the 25 million move to Villa from German club Bayern Leverkusen in 2021 and went on to score 22 goals in 144 appearances. Bailey claimed a career high 14 goals in 52 games in all competition in the 2023-2024 season, but he scored just twice in 38 games last season. He signs a new contract with Aston Villa February 2024 that runs until 2027. Now, that deal completed yesterday, and within his first training session, Liam Bailey suffers an injury issue. Now, this is the breaking news that's coming out of Roma. Bailey suffers injury in first training session at risk of missing possible 3 weeks of action. Bad news for Gianni Pereira Gasparina. Only a few hours after Liam Bailey official announcement, the Jamaican winger officially joins Roma today. However, his debut with Roma will likely have to be postponed. As reported, Bailey injured himself in training today, and the player is expected to undergo test tomorrow and could miss up to 3 weeks of action. Now, it's good news that he's finally going somewhere where we'll get some consistent game time. Then now we all know the pressure of the EPL, and not just the pressure of the EPL, but the demands of how the EPL is being played week in, week out, the aggressiveness, the physically, all the type of something there. He's not moving away from it. I'm happy that he didn't make the move to Saudi. Very happy about that. But it's quite unfortunate because he still remain in the top level of football. But very unfortunate that the moment he makes himself a bit comfortable at home in our new club, he picks up one of those niggling muscle injuries. And we all know that the muscle injury that he has been having is a consistent thing for a long time now. And you have to ask yourself the question, what is the reason why these same muscle injuries are now consistent? Well, it's not officially confirmed. The pre-scans would have stated that, or should I say, the pre-examination would have stated that it seems to be muscle injury. No, we are still hoping that it's not a long-term injury, or it's not an injury that maybe see him out for the 3 weeks. Maybe it's just something that, just a little niggle. We're very hopeful. I pray that that's the case, where we can actually get on the park as soon as possible. Because remember now, people, if you should be out for 3 weeks, well, listen to this. Today is the 20th. Next 2 weeks from now, Reggae Boyz are preparing to join up in camp. The next 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks time, it won't be available for those upcoming games. So the hopes are that this is not that serious, and maybe it's just a small rest is needed, probably 1 week rest or something of that sort. After the official tests are done. So now I hope that's the case, because if he's out for 3 weeks, horrible start there for his Roma career, even though it's not how he starts, it's how he finish. But also he will miss the upcoming fixtures for the World Cup qualifiers. That's not good. That's definitely not good. No, it's just funny because sometimes when you start a new chapter, you have different hope, you get this different feeling. And if you see when he arrived at Roma, the reception that he received from the supporters, from the club, from even the Jamaican supporters, they really, really are cheering him on. And because we all want to see him do exceptionally well wherever he goes. And this is just very unfortunate. The moment he signed, just less within 24 hours, he picks up another injury. This is the case, maybe Aston Villa look on there and say, boy, we missed a trick there, and this was done at the right time. But it's just very, very unfortunate. Certainly though, if this injury or if the test comes back and this is officially or genuinely a muscle injury, I do believe that he has to look into seeing, I'm not sure if it's a dietitian, but something must be contributing to this consistent, or should I say this persistent issue with muscle injury. There must be something behind it, and I do think that he should definitely go and do some in-depth research on what is the issue. He's an explosive player. We know that's a factor, but we don't know if a diet, lifestyle, or any kind of things there. But he have to go definitely and have a look on that. So at the stand right now, all hopes are that is not the case. We're very hopeful that maybe, just maybe, it's something that you just miss out a few days and back on track in momentarily. We're all open for that as it stands. But we're still very, very happy that he makes the move to Roma. We're still happy that he stays in the top flight to Europe, played at the highest level. And we're also very, very happy because we want to have him for the World Cup campaign, because we want all our players to be playing consistent football. You know, nobody are coming to the club, we're not playing football or the on bench. We have to try and move away from that. Definitely. That's the reason why once a player is playing consistently, I am all for it. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Is it sadness or what? Me don't know. But definitely, this is something that must be looked into by the player, and how I don't know, but it has to be studied. It must be studied, as a Sir Peter said. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV out. God bless. Boom. Outside. I mean.